In an ancient land called Mesopotamia, there lived a man named Nimrod. He was known for his ambition and determination. Nimrod dreamed of building a tower so tall that it would reach the heavens, a symbol of his power and greatness. He gathered people from all over to help with the construction, believing that together they could challenge even the gods. The city bustled with workers and engineers, designing and erecting the gigantic structure.
Let us build a tower that touches the heavens. We will show the world our power and greatness.
Yes, Nimrod. Let us build the tallest tower the world has ever seen. With our effort, we will be immortal in history.
Sarah, a wise and observant young woman, watched the construction's movement with concern. She knew the teachings about divine sovereignty and feared that Nimrod's ambition would lead everyone to ruin. In her prayers, she asked for discernment to warn her people, but every attempt at warning was ignored or ridiculed.
Nimrod, this tower is a challenge to God. We must respect his sovereignty and his plans. We are small before him and must be humble.
Sarah, you do not understand. This tower will be our legacy, our symbol of power. If we unite, nothing will stop us.
Eli, a respected elder among the people, saw the dangers of this construction and tried to persuade Nimrod to abandon the project. He knew the stories of the ancients and understood that disrespecting divine decrees could bring terrible consequences. He gathered the leaders of the people and made one last appeal.
Nimrod, listen to my words. God does not approve of this construction. We must be humble and obedient to his plans. Pride leads us to ruin, but obedience brings peace and prosperity.
Eli, you are wise, but this time you are mistaken. This tower will be our glory. Nothing will stop us.
The construction advanced quickly and grandly. Workers from all regions carried baked clay bricks and mixed mortar with great effort. Engineers designed increasingly higher floors, and the tower rose majestically against the horizon. The people united in this monumental work, but behind this unity, dangerous arrogance was growing.
Come on, everyone together. The tower is almost ready. Soon we will touch the heavens.
However, pride darkened their hearts, and few remembered to thank God for their strength and abilities. God, seeing the arrogance of men, decided to intervene. He confused their languages, making communication between them impossible. Suddenly, people could no longer understand each other. What was once a work of unity became a chaos of incomprehension.
Look, they are one people and speak one language, and this is only the beginning of what they will do. Now nothing they propose to do will be impossible for them. Let us go down and confuse their language so that one does not understand the speech of another.
What is happening? I can't understand you.
Confusion set in. Orders were given and not understood. The chaos led to the abandonment of the work. With the confusion of languages, the construction of the tower stopped. The people, now unable to communicate, began to disperse. Each group followed its own path, taking with them their new languages and cultures. Nimrod's dream crumbled before his eyes.
Let's go. We can no longer work together.
Sarah and Eli watched the dispersion of the people with sadness, but also with new understanding. They realized that diversity and communication are essential, and that obedience to God is fundamental.
Eli, now I understand. Diversity is a blessing, and communication is essential. God did not destroy the people, but spread wisdom throughout the world.
Yes, Sarah. God has shown us the importance of humility and obedience. Let us carry this lesson with us and teach it to future generations.
The Tower of Babel teaches us about the dangers of pride, the necessity of obedience, and the importance of diversity and communication. God is sovereign, and his plans are always the best. And you, what did you learn from this story?